Good day to you, my friends. Nick here with freedomlifebusiness.com. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're here because of past experiences I've had about leadership and how it is important for success in all areas of life. Being a good leader means having the aptitude to bring out the best in oneself and others. Leadership is not just about making final decisions and barking orders. It's about motivating, inspiring, encouraging, and having compassion for others and understanding them. A successful leader must have developed and strong communication and connection skills, the ability to set an example and communicate tasks and responsibilities, and a willingness to take risks in order to achieve desired goals. Leadership isn't only important for high-level people. See, we all possess the qualities necessary for successful leadership or mentorship within ourselves and in our own lives. In fact, successful leadership begins in our own minds and souls. We must be able to visualize what we want, believe that we can accomplish it, and have the courage and commitment and determination to go after it. Being a leader or mentor is all about being responsible for our own actions and leading by example. It's not only about giving orders, but rather giving inspiration and encouraging our peers around us to continue to push boundaries and strive for greatness in a compassionate way. It's all about believing in yourself as well as believing in those you're leading. Finally, being a successful leader and mentor also means making wise decisions that are in the best interest of your team or organization. It means having the courage to stand up for what you believe in and having the courage to take risks and getting out of your comfort zone in order to achieve desired advanced successes. Having the ability to lead or mentor effectively is a very valuable skill that can help us reach our fullest of potentials and help us achieve great success in both our personal and professional endeavors. So be sure to lead with confidence and lead with vision and passion, because by doing so, you'll be setting yourself up for success. If you want to know what we do online and are open to acquire leadership skills, knowledge, and would like to earn online substantially in a passive way without all the hypes and the fluff, take a look at my website above here, freedomlifebusiness.com, and opt in to see our overview video. We provide complete training, tools, and done-for-you funnels and funnel builders. Always make it a great day. Remember to always go for your dreams and stay focused, positive, and healthy, my friends. God bless, and bye for now.